Another side hustle that is rapidly gaining traction, thanks in part to technological advances, is teaching English as a second language online. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. In a world where over 1.5 billion people communicate in English, either as their mother tongue or second language, the power of this global language is undeniable. Given the popularity of English and the demand to learn the language, I decided it was time to dive deep into teaching English online as a side hustle. This video is a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the ins and outs of online English teaching. Why are online side hustles popular? The side hustle life is becoming common worldwide, with nearly half of all Gen Z and millennials taking one on to enjoy a better quality of life. But if you're a newcomer to side hustles, you're probably looking for information about ways to earn some valuable additional income to supplement your existing salary. While there's no shortage of options, from selling your old clothes to delivering food on the side, teaching English as a second language online has to be one of the most easy. Online side hustles offer the ultimate convenience of making more money. You don't need to leave your couch, so you can save yourself time, effort, and travel expenses while using your skills to enhance your profits. What is teaching English online? If you're ready to embrace the possibility of an English teaching side hustle, you first need to know the answer to a few questions. What is teaching English online? And is it something that you could do? Let's look more closely at the answers. When many people think about teaching English, they imagine standing in a classroom in front of a group of students, working within the hours of a standard school day. That's no longer the case. Thanks to modern technology, students can now study English virtually at almost any time of the day or night. The internet has made it possible for learners to fit their classes around their daily lives, and that means that teachers can reap the very same benefit. As an online English teacher, you can teach outside your regular working hours, one-on-one, or with groups of students who could be located anywhere in the world. From your virtual classroom, you'll deliver content that helps them develop and improve their English language skills, earning an attractive additional salary during your free time. What does an online English teacher do? A TEFL teacher teaches written and spoken English to people with a different native language. TEFL stands for Teaching English as a Foreign Language, and you could work with learners across the age spectrum and from countries all over the world. Some TEFL certified professionals actually choose to head overseas to work abroad as English language teachers. Thanks to the internet, many more are now opting to teach remotely, delivering classes from either the comfort of their own homes or even on the road as they travel and explore the globe. An online English teacher's job includes teaching English lessons to groups of students or individually. They plan lessons, sometimes following a set curriculum, and create learning materials like worksheets. Managing the online classroom is also part of the job. Teachers check how well students are doing by giving exams and tests. Additionally, they handle extra tasks needed by the language school, such as assigning homework. Is online English teaching right for me? There's a huge demand for skilled English teachers worldwide. Many governments are now prioritizing language learning to ensure their future generations can be more competitive in the global business arena that opens up a wealth of opportunities for those with the right skills and qualifications to enjoy the flexibility of this appealing side hustle. Since online English teaching as a TEFL professional allows you to choose your hours, you can fit classes into your weekends or evenings if you wish. Thanks to the role's adaptability, you can teach as many or as few classes as you want, allowing you to step up a gear if you're saving for something special or drop a couple of classes if you want to take a break. While working as a TEFL teacher brings financial benefits, it's a rewarding side hustle in its own right. You'll be helping people to enhance their skills, broaden their horizons, and increase their opportunities, and that's an experience that should never be underestimated. How much do online English teachers make? The flexible nature of the role means that it's pretty much up to you. There's some good money to be made, but how much will depend on your path and how many hours you want to put in. If you work for one of the online English teaching companies, for example, and agree to work a set number of hours, you can receive a fairly high rate for your lessons. The more hours you're prepared to work, the more you'll earn. For a newly qualified TEFL teacher, you can expect to earn between $10 to $20 per hour. Once you have more experience, you could earn as much as $40 per lesson. Another option is to follow self-employment, starting a tutoring business or becoming a freelance English teacher. This option takes more work since you'll need to build up your client list, but it does give you the freedom to set your own rate of pay. Which qualifications do I need? Unlike some other side hustles, you're going to need some qualifications if you want to be a successful online English teacher. Becoming TEFL certified is crucial, since that's what employers will be looking for when taking on teaching staff. The 120-hour TEFL training course from an accredited provider is the standard in the industry. While you'll need to invest some time and money in your training, it's certainly worthwhile since it'll not only make you more competitive in the marketplace, but it'll also give you the skills and knowledge you need to teach English effectively to overseas learners. Advanced TEFL courses are available too if you want to go one step further. These will qualify you to teach subjects such as business English, exam prep, or younger learners, and give you an even wider range of jobs to pick from. Before we proceed to the right skills needed to be a TEFL teacher, don't forget to give us a like, comment, and subscribe, as well as turn on the notification bell for future updates. Also, don't forget the link in the description. Do I have the right skills to be a TEFL teacher? Being an online TEFL teacher requires a range of specific skills, similar to many side hustles. Teaching English online can be financially rewarding, but it is not always easy, so thorough preparation is essential. Key soft skills needed include proficiency in English, with native speakers typically being the most successful. Non-native speakers with fluency can be considered, though it is more challenging to secure a position. Effective teaching involves strong leadership abilities, particularly in classroom management, and understanding various learning styles to create suitable lessons. Efficiently managing and planning classes within the allotted time frame is vital, along with good organizational skills. Communicating in a friendly and approachable manner fosters a positive learning environment, while cultural sensitivity helps in creating an inclusive and supportive space for students from diverse backgrounds. Additionally, computer literacy is essential since online teaching relies heavily on technology. Patience is crucial as students learn at different paces, requiring instructors to repeat and simplify instructions calmly. Adaptability is also important, as not every class will go as planned, necessitating the ability to modify lesson plans and handle unforeseen issues like technology failures. Overall, being well prepared and possessing these soft skills can lead to success as an online TEFL teacher. How do I find an online English teaching job? Finding an online English teaching job involves exploring various platforms, each with unique requirements and benefits. Italki and Preply offer flexibility in setting your rates and schedule, with TEFL certification boosting your chances on Preply. Cambly is ideal for native English speakers interested in informal tutoring, while Verbling focuses on experienced teachers with higher qualifications. Lingoda schedules classes for you, but requires certification and experience, and VIP Kid connects teachers with children in China, requiring a bachelor's degree and a North American accent. Other options include Schooly, specializing in academic tutoring, and freelance marketplaces like Fiverr and Upwork, where you set your rates and schedule. QKids and Dada focus on teaching children in China, requiring a bachelor's degree and preferred nationality with provided teaching materials. Freelance tutoring allows complete control over your schedule and rates, making it suitable for those looking to be their own boss or supplement their income. Overall, these platforms offer diverse opportunities catering to different preferences and qualifications for online English teaching. Which online English teaching platforms pay the best? The pay for online English teaching varies widely based on factors such as the teacher's qualifications, experience, and the type of students taught. Platforms like Italki and Preply stand out because they allow tutors to set their hourly rates, potentially enabling highly qualified and experienced teachers to earn more by attracting students willing to pay for top-quality instruction. Verbling also allows teachers to set their rates, but it requires a certain level of experience and qualifications, which can justify higher rates. While these platforms offer the potential for higher earnings, actual income depends on effective self-marketing, a well-filled teaching schedule, and dedication. In contrast, platforms like Cambly might offer lower base rates, but provide more consistent booking opportunities due to their large user base seeking informal conversational practice. Overall, platforms allowing teachers to set their rates, such as Italki, Preply, and Verbling, could offer the highest pay for those with strong qualifications and a good reputation. Success on these platforms requires building a strong profile, a solid teaching schedule, and a base of returning students. Once you're settled in your online English teaching job, you can enjoy all of the benefits that come with this lucrative side hustle. Not only will you be making extra income to help you live an even more comfortable lifestyle, but you'll also have the satisfaction of knowing that you're making a real difference in the lives of others, and that can be just as rewarding as the additional money. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.